terrifying scene unfolded at New York's iconic Coney Island beach when a sudden violent windstorm whipped up a massive sandstorm, forcing hundreds of terrified beachgoers to flee for safety.
Oh snap! This is a windstorm out of nowhere! Oh, we gotta get out of here. Let's go,
What started as a typical summer afternoon quickly turned into complete chaos as powerful gusts swept across the shoreline, instantly transforming the popular destination into a blinding wall of flying sand and debris.
Yo, you not going where?
I'm not going no.
Diablo.
Footage rapidly circulating on X.com captures the sheer panic as visitors scramble to gather their belongings while shielding their faces from the stinging sand. The viral videos show heavy beach umbrellas flying through the air and families desperately running toward the safety of the boardwalk as visibility drops.
Just relax, just relax.
Jesus Christ!
Eyewitnesses describe the event as an apocalyptic moment, with powerful winds strong enough to rip tents from the ground and send heavy coolers tumbling across the sand. Local meteorologists reported that the sudden sandstorm was triggered by a fast-moving storm system, cutting violently across the tri-state area.
Yo, this shit is crazy. Yo, this shit is a moving. Nice.
Sandstorm just out of nowhere. We gotta get out of here.
The dramatic shift in wind velocity caught everyone by surprise, transforming a peaceful day into a massive evacuation scene. Emergency services were placed on high alert, though thankfully no major injuries have been reported.
Oh, shit, you had a tornado came around us.
a lightning strike? Yo, okay.
Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get the latest news and informations about natural disasters around the world, and stay safe.
She said I'm good, right? She said I'm good. Still fighting with the tent over there. Still fighting with the tent. Yeah. Coney Island was crazy. Okay, all right.